As brightly said by Gandhiji, happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Action expresses priorities. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, 1869 to 1948, was one of the few men in history to fight simultaneously on moral, religious, political, social, economic, and cultural fronts. During his time as a lawyer in South Africa, he developed his strategy of non-violence, the idea of opposing unjust laws by non-violent protest. He led the Indian National Congress Party in three major campaigns against British rule, each culminating in his arrest. Gandhi's major philosophical insights and the limitations his thought. Written with extensive access of Gandhiji's writing in Indian language to which most commentators have little or no access. His spiritual view most commentators have little or no access. His spiritual view of politics and his theories of oppression, non-violent action, and active citizenship. He also considers how the success of Gandhi's principles were limited by his lack of coherent theories of evil and of state and power. Gandhiji's view of man as ascetic allows no room for expression of the cultural, artistic, or intellectual. Furthermore, he was so hostile to modern civilization that he was unable to appreciate its complex dialectic or offer a meaningful narrative. Nevertheless, Gandhi's life and thought had an enormous impact on the Indian nation, and he continues to be widely revered, known before and after his assassination as Mahatma, the Great Soul.
I have the belief that I can do it. I shall surely acquire the capacity to do it, even if I may not have it at the beginning. Here, I stand before you to tell you about Gandhiji's birth life. Mahatma Gandhi, by name of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, was born on 2nd October 1869, Porbandar in Gujarat. The nation calls him Mahatma, Bapuji, and the father of the nation. He was an Indian lawyer, politician, social activist, and writer who became the leader of nationalist movement against the British rule in India. As such, he came to be considered the father of his country. Gandhi is internationally estimated for his doctrine of national violence. Gandhi is nationally estimated for his doctrine of non-violent protest to achieve political and social progress. His father His father was the chief minister of Porbandar. His deeply religious mother was a devotee practitioner of Vishwanism, influenced by Jainism, an ascetic religion governed by tenets of self-defense and non-violence. At the age of 19, Mohandas left home to study law in London at the Inner Temple, one of the city's four law colleges. Upon returning to India in mid 1891, he set up a law practice in Bombay.
Freedom is not worth having if it doesn't include the freedom to make mistakes. Service which is rendered without joy helps neither the servant nor the served. So here I tell you about some of his great works. Gandhi was a great leader, a sant, and a great social reformer. He was pious, truthful, and religious. He believed in simple living and high thinking. Everybody who came in contact with him were so deeply influenced by his personality. He was a champion of democracy and was steadily opposed to dictatorial rule. Gandhi showed India and the world the path of truth and non-violence. He believed that it was truth alone that prevailed in the end. Gandhi believed that real India lived in more than 5 lakhs villages uplift. According to him, India's real emancipation depended on Swadeshi, that is, boycott of foreign goods, use of khadi, encouragement to village and cottage industries. Gandhi began to work day and night for the freedom of his country. He and his brave followers went to jail again and again and suffered terrible hardships. Thousands of them were starved, beaten, ill treated, and killed. But they remained true to their master. At last, his noble efforts bore fruit, and on August 15, 1947, India became free and independent.
Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Here I tell you about the sad dismiss of Father of a Nation. About 5 p.m. in the afternoon of the next day, the 78-year-old Gandhi, trailed from the fasting, was being helped across the great Nices on his way to a prayer meeting when Nathuram Godse emerged from the admiring crowd, bowed to him and shot him 3 times at point blank range in the stomach. In an effort to end India's religious strife, he resorted to fast and visit to the troubled areas. He was on one such vigil in New Delhi when Nathuram Godse, a Hindu extremist who objected to Gandhi's tolerance for the Muslims, fatally shot him. Citing Sardar Gurbachan Singh's testimony in the assassination trial, Tushar Gandhi has said that after being gunned down, Bapu had folded hands and uttered the words, Hey Ram. Kalyanam added Godse killed Gandhiji only once, but political parties were doing it every day by not following his teachings. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated on 30th Jan 1948 in the compound of Birla House, a large mansion in New Delhi. Godse killed Gandhi because of the nose ring he wore that Ramchandra became Nathuram. Godse may have defied the genius of death haunting his family, but the role of a girl he was made to play must have bred in him immense confusion and complex about his sexuality.
We can never forgive. Forgiveness is an attribute of strong. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. So here we conclude the life story of Bapu. Someone had equipped. If they had not thrown Gandhi out of the train in South Africa, the English would not have too much trouble from him. Gandhi, the young attorney, vowed to oppose such unfair treatment through non cooperation and other non violent means. Gandhi's ultimate search was for the righteous conduct. The means are more important than the end, he maintained. With the right means, desired end will follow. His struggle and actions were but external manifestation of his struggle to evolve his own value system. Mahatma Gandhi, better known as Father of Nation because he was who fought freedom for us. He was the maker of modern India.